Good evening, my dear students. In this video, I'll give you a very practical tips for preparation of the NEET exam, and I'll give you a simple schedule also. So for the freshers, I would like to tell you NEET is all about the medical stream. If you want to continue with or do MBBS, BDS, BAMS, BHMS, or some entrance exams like military nursing service and all, you need to clear the NEET exam. So I will tell you how the NEET exam is structured. NEET exam has got three subjects, that is physics, chemistry and biology. Biology is further divided into botany and zoology. There are a total of 200 questions. Out of 200 questions, you need to attempt 180 questions. And these 180 questions are further divided that 45 questions in physics, 45 questions in chemistry and 90 questions in biology. So your focus should be while preparing should be on biology. So biology has got 50% of the marks. So if you want to score more, your focus should be on biology, that is botany and zoology. So in the exam, for every correct answer you will fetch 4 marks, and for every incorrect answer you will be deducted 1 marks. All the this exam is of multiple choice questions type of exam. And now I will tell you, and I'll tell you one thing. The complete the exam paper will be made prepared out of 11th and 12th subject, that is NCERT subject. So you required to refer to the NCERT books only, and even if you have some other material you can refer, but even if you refer to NCERT material only, you can clearly pass this exam, not an issue. Now I will give you a schedule. Now most probably a tentative date for next year NEET exam would be May 2026. So exactly you are left with 9 months duration, and 9 months is sufficient to prepare for NEET exam. If you are studying in 12th standard, 9 months is adequate. If you are studying in 11th standard, and you have more than adequate time, that is almost 2-year time to prepare for your NEET exam. So these tips which I am giving you, these basically for the students who are studying in 12th standard. So what I feel, and I have also researched that every day you require to spend almost 4 hours minimum requirement of 4 hours for the preparation of NEET exam, that is for next 9 months. So along with your studies, you have to spare 4 hours for just preparation of these 4 subjects. So how to spare 4 hours? We have got a total of 24 hours in a day. Now you require to sleep. The most important factor, at your age you need to have a minimum 7 hours of sleep. So hit the sack exactly at 10 o'clock at night and wake up at 5 o'clock. I'll tell you how to cull out this 4 hours from your daily routine. So you hit the bed at 10 o'clock, have a decent sleep for 7 hours, wake up at 5 o'clock, freshen up for half an hour, 5:30, sit on your table and start with first subject, whichever is a difficult subject, because early morning it is easy to assimilate and easy to remember. Your brain is fresh, and if you start with difficult subject, it will be easy for you. So 5:30 in the morning to 6:30 in the morning, you take out one subject and prepare one subject. If it is physics, well and good, 1 hour, that is till 6:30. 6:30 hours, then you freshen up, eat your breakfast and hit the school. Most probably the school timing will be from morning 8 o'clock till afternoon 2 o'clock. So you will be in the school for almost 6 hours. Now once you are broken off from the school at 2 o'clock, come back. Let's assume that your school is at a distance. You will take minimum 1 hour to reach home back. So at 1500 hours you are back home, and at 15, that is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. At 3 o'clock you are back home, freshen up and watch some TV and take your lunch. At 4 o'clock sit 4 to 5 for the second subject, whichever easier subjects. If it is zoology is easier for you, then take that subject in the afternoon from 4 to 5 o'clock. And 5 o'clock onwards, 5 to 7, you have your time for doing your for going for tuition, or if you have any homework in your routine class, that is you are doing 12th or 11th together, so you may have some other commitments also, so you can utilize this time, that is 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock in the evening, for tuition and all other activities. And exactly at 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock take the third subject, that is whichever, either it is botany or chemistry, and 1 hour you study till 7 to 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock have your dinner, watch some TV, and exactly at 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock take the fourth subject and study for 1 hour. Now you have the entire day, you have utilized these 24 hours very efficiently, and you could able to cull out those 4 hours for your 4 subjects along with the normal subjects which you are doing in your 12th or 11th. So 24 hours is sufficient time to take out 4 hours for your NEET preparation. And now I'll tell you, and exactly 10 o'clock hit the sack, go to bed and have a peaceful sleep for 7 hours. Again your routine starts at 5 o'clock in the morning. So stick to these timings. And now I'll tell you, in these 4 hours you are dedicating 1 hour each for every subject. In this 1 hour you read 1 or 2 topics for 45 minutes, and for the rest of the 15 minutes you make multiple choice questions out of those 2 topics you have studied. So you will have, at the end of the day, after 6 months, you will have a kunji or a set of multiple choice questions from those topics. Once you have prepared these multiple choice questions out of those 2 topics which you have studied for the day, then you don't have to refer to that book. Now you need to refer to only these multiple choice questions you have culled out from those topics. That is hardly 10 or 12 multiple choice questions you will cull out and write it down and make a separate MCQ book. So the entire topics, you do it for all 4 subjects, and you should be having after 6 months, after doing the complete detailed study of the topics and after culling out the MCQs and write it on the register or a book, MCQ book for different subjects. You should have 4 MCQ books. So after 6 months of the detailed study, now you don't have to refer to the books. Now you have to refer to the MCQ books which you have prepared yourself by detailedly studying the topics. So From the 7th month onwards, every month you have to revise these MCQs. At least you should be revised 3 times. That is 7th month, 8th month and 9th month. By the time you are ready to appear for your exam, you have done 6 months of detailed study of the topics and you have culled out the MCQs out of those topics and you have completed 3 revisions of MCQs. So, my dear students, this is the way you have to study for competitive exams. You should be preparing small notes, that is MCQs. It will if you have studied while doing the detailed study, if you have studied 1000 pages, now you have culled out those 1000 pages into 100 page MCQ book. Now during the revision, you have to go through only these MCQ books. Now you don't have to go back and read those 1000 pages. That's how this is the smart study. Only smart people can clear these kind of competitive exams. So you have to do smart study. And there are some important rules. There are 4 rules. First of all, stick to the timings. These timings, you have to select the timing and stick to those timings. Never miss. Second one, you should have very good sleep of 7 hours. That is 1000 hours exactly hit the sack and get up at exactly 5 o'clock in the morning. Keep your mobile, all other gadgets away. Just refer them if you have any queries. If you require to search anything, then only you use the phone. Don't use for entertainment. These are the distractions. They will eat up your time and you will waste this valuable time. So keep away all the distractions. And the last one, Sunday should be completely free. Don't study for your NEET exam during Sundays. Keep a day free for your other commitments like homework or some practicals or some movies, some entertainment, some you have to go for some other places. So there will be a number of commitments in your life. So keep Sunday completely free. Don't study. Only study for 6 days, Monday to Saturday, and a complete off of Sunday for your personal commitment and leisure. So, my dear students, this is one of the most important exam of your life. If you want to slog for 9 months, you can enjoy your rest of your life. You will be in the mainstream. If you want to enjoy this 9 months, and you have to slog for your life, the entire life. So these are the precious time. Make use of this. If you stick to what I said, if you stick to your schedule, if you are keeping your distractions away, you will thank me after 9 months. You will 100% come in first 1000. First 1000. I'll assure you. Happy study.